In this video, I'll show you how you can move files from your desktop to Google Drive. So here's what you need to do. So if you open up Google Drive, you can go to New in the top left-hand corner. You can then click New Folder if you want to just put all of your files into a new folder. This is something I would recommend if your desktop is really messy, to keep Drive clean and easy to organize. So I'm just going to put here Desktop and we'll click Create. And then that should take us into the new folder, or it will take us to My Drive and we can double click on it. Now, once we're in desktop, we can go New. You can then go File Upload or Folder Upload. If you've got all of your files on your desktop, click File Upload, click on Desktop, and then you can go ahead and highlight all of the files you want to upload. Once you've done that, you can then click on Open. It will then start to upload them. You can go New, you can go Folder Upload, and if you've got any folders, you can go ahead and click on those and also click Upload. Then after these have uploaded, you'll be able to find them all in your My Drive, and then they'll be in the desktop folder, which you've just created.